Welcome to Navi Mumbai News. I am Sana Varsia bringing to you news from your neighborhood. Let's take a look at the headlines. Microtechnology launches ISS Intelligent Surveillance System. Microtechnologies launched its upcoming security product called the Intelligent Surveillance System, also known as ISS, during the inauguration of the marketing office premises at Andheri. The product was launched at the hands of the Managing Director of General Atlantic LLC, Rahul Rai. Jayanti Bamne reports. A new security product called the Micro Intelligent Surveillance System was launched by Microsecure Solutions Limited at the new marketing office in Andheri. A number of businessmen from across the city like Birla, Omnitech and other firms were present during the launch. Present as the chief guest was the Managing Director of General Atlantic LLC, Rahul Rai. We spoke to Microtechnology's corporate media head, Nisha Menon, to know more on this product.
This product is Micro ISS, that is Intelligent Surveillance System. What exactly happens in India is where there are systems which are available into the market in tits and bits, that is in pieces, like somebody has a burglar alarm, somebody has a CCTV. Here at Microtechnologies, that is Micro ISS is an innovative product which is bundled solution, that is a one-pack solution which takes care of the entire security needs of a premises, whether it is a small office or a large organization, a small corporate or a shop, anything. There are various sensors which take care of the anomalies, like for example outburst of fire or a flood or an intrusion, various cameras and CCTV DVRs are out there, which gives us 24/12 days monitoring at different servers, and any authorized person can access all these live recordings from anywhere, any part of the world with their authorized login IDs and passwords. Apart from that, we have special cameras which are weatherproof cameras. Number one, we have night vision cameras at an integrated system, because it is not at all necessary like where the system where it is installed, it should have sufficient amount of light to cater all these things. So we have night vision cameras which takes the entire recording even in the absence of light also. Fine. And apart from that, a special feature is we are having triple access entry. Like for example, it would be a biometric, an RFID based and a login based. So any person, any authorized person has go through these triple access control walls and then only can enter. So the chances of any sort of anomaly or any intrusion is negligible, you can say.
She also expressed concern over the increasing crime rate in the city and the need to have such security products.
See, if you just see to the rate of crime presently, if I'll give you a very vague figure, like of the entire 100% crime which is happening in India, 40% of the crime is property and property related crimes. Like for example, intrusion, theft, stealing, burglary, robbery and murder involved into all these particular crimes. So this is a very alarming figure presently out here in India. And I'm happy that Microtechnologies is looking deeper into the security aspects and giving very customized solution to its clients across the globe. Not only in India, it is providing security solutions across the globe too, and taking and catering the smaller needs of security, which has to be taken care by each and every individual of the society.
While addressing the audience, Atul Himani from Omnitech praised the services of Microtechnology. According to him, IT security has always been of prime importance and commended Microtechnology in serving an excellent job in this field. He also complimented Micro's building monitoring system that helps to monitor